What's up, everybody? This is the Tech Preacher. So I may be the only YouTuber on the internet making LG videos. But you know what? There's a reason why I keep making LG videos. Because of the shocking support that I'm getting from my LG devices. Well, today, I just received another update on one of my LG Wings. Now, I have two of them. And I have the Verizon Wireless and I have the T-Mobile variant. And I got the update on my T-Mobile variant. So let's talk about the LG Wing in this video. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is back with another video. So in this video, I want to show you a few things that I love about the LG Wing. Some things that's special about this device. Let's talk about it. First, I do have two LG Wings. This is the Verizon Wireless Wing and this is the T-Mobile Wing. The LG Wing that's on T-Mobile received an update, which is January security patch. Now, my Verizon Wireless device is still on November 2021 security patch. So I am not sure when the Verizon Wireless version will get the new update. Next, I want to thank LG for keeping a promise and commitment to updating their devices even though their mobile department is closed. So what's new with the update? Well, I'm not seeing no UI changes, but I do feel that the animations is a whole lot faster and smoother. The overall experience has been very good. So we are in 2022. And we start to see a downtrend for devices as far as specs and features. The LG Wing gives you something that newer devices doesn't give you as far as the base model. Now in 2021 and 2022, we're starting to see this. Downtrending features, they're taking away a lot of items. But the LG Wing, guess what? The base storage for this device is 256 gigs. You get SD card support, a very fast mid-range processor with the 765G processor with 8 gigs of RAM. It's a 5G phone. This device has two displays, 6.8-inch 1080p display, and the second display is a 1080p 3.9 display. This device has full pen support and software to match. Guess what? On the back, you got a triple camera setup, and this device can shoot 4K up to 60 frames per second. Not only that, but guess what? You do have a pop-up camera, and guess what? Pop-up camera is nice here. And finally, you get one of the King Supreme designs that I ever saw, right? You got a swivel display, and it's really good. This is something unique, something different. And to put icing on the cake, you can buy this phone, the LG Wing, for a mind-blowing $299. I will leave all the links down in the description. So, oh yeah, the LG Wing doesn't have a so-called flagship processor in it, right? But I don't have any performance issues with this device. The only kind that I have about the LG Wing is that LG did not put their famous headphone jack with a quad DAC. And I'm gonna tell you, if LG would have put a headphone jack with their quad DAC, this would be King Supreme. And look, don't get me wrong, this is a great device overall, but icing on the cake would have been a headphone jack on this device. But overall, I believe that this is a collector's item, true and true, because there's no devices out there that has the form factor, the specs, and the price of the LG Wing. Next, I always get this question about the pen and the pen support on the LG Wing. Now we know that the LG Wing, the LG V60, the LG Velvet supports the bamboo pen. I will leave that link down in the description below. But one of the concerns that a lot of people have is that yes, the pen supports the bigger display, but when it comes down to the bottom display, it doesn't get any support. Well, this digital stylus fine point tip pen supports both screens. Now I made a video about this pen right here. This pen right here costs about 15 bucks. I will leave the link down in the description below. But this pen right here supports the top display and the bottom display with no problem. So if you want to use the pen and the pen software and you want to use it on the bottom display, I have a pen that works for you, and it has a pointed tip and it works very well. So there's always the big question, how about the cameras, Eric? How's the LG Wing cameras? Well, you know, it's got a triple camera setup, and these cameras are really good for the price point. But you know what? Let me show you guys some footage of the LG Wing in action and let you be the judge for yourself. So check this out. So here it is, my T-Mobile LG Wing received 2022 security patch and bug fixes. Look, I'm sure that the Verizon Wireless will get it soon. So what's next? Well, at this rate, we will see more support for LG devices in 2022. Looks like LG is doing a great service to their customers. I'm getting and I'm seeing updates from devices all the way back to 2019, which is shocking to see. I'm seeing devices like the LG G8 getting a lot of updates supporting TLC. So will we see Android 12 on LG most current devices? Oh yeah, I believe we will. Look, I will keep you posted on all things LG. And make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell, so when I drop a video, you'll be well informed. So shout out to my LG community. I'm with you guys. We go work through this together. And shout out to LG for sending timely updates, bug fixes, and security patches to their more recent devices, and going all the way back to 2019 and updating those devices also. So this is a wonderful thing. This is Eric the Tech Preacher from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LG Wing in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.